top keyboard shortcuts in TikTok Lite. If you're looking for some of the top keyboard shortcuts for the TikTok Lite app, now TikTok Lite is actually primarily a mobile app for Android and iOS, and it does not have built-in keyboard shortcuts for navigation like a desktop application would. On desktop application, you would be able to, maybe via an emulator or the web version of TikTok, or using a physical keyboard connected to your mobile device, the standard keyboard shortcuts would be arrow up to go to the previous video, arrow down to come to the next video, and press the L button to like or unlike the video, or the M button to mute or unmute the video. These are the standard shortcuts that you can use on the web version. However, for users on mobile devices with an external keyboard, the primary interaction remains touch-based scrolling. The shortcuts widely discussed on the app for mobile users typically refer to text replacement shortcuts within your phone's general keyboard settings, which are system-level features and not specific to the TikTok Lite app itself. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.